happens when water covers land. A flash flood happens very quickly in low-lying lands and is usually caused by heavy rains. What causes floods? The heavy rains lead to flooding. During these storms, heavy rains, water pours up quickly and has nowhere to go. The ground becomes saturated, or water full and most rise. Floods can happen when levees and dams break. What's the problem from floods? Floods can be so severe. They cover entire houses and buildings. Rescue teams have to save people trapped on their roof. Many people die due to floods. Floods can also